In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your chats. Now tap on this icon with a camera and a photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can tap on your photos right away or tap on gallery section instead and select them from here. When you finished, click on Add at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added to text message on this device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!